shirt with my face on it. Awesome! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys a trick that I made up called Whimsy. Whimsy is a beginner trick. You don't need to know a lot of tricks at all to learn it. In fact, you can really start with me today. This trick also does not require an unresponsive yo-yo, even though I'm using one today, so if you don't have an unresponsive yo-yo, don't worry about it. Come along with me. If you do have yo-yo knowledge, the two tricks that I would recommend learning beforehand would be the double or nothing mount and also a green triangle of some sort. So to start the trick today, it's really easy. All you're going to do is throw a double or nothing, which looks like this. Bring it right up close to the camera. This is the formation that your string is going to make. The way to throw a double or nothing, if you don't know, throw a trapeze first for practice, then hop it around your other hand, your throw hand, and then go under your non-throw hand and onto the string. It's a mount that's really important for you to learn, so make sure you know the double or nothing. And then a super easy second step, you're going to hop the yo-yo off the string towards you, over all the other strings. That may sound hard, but it's super easy. Check it out. Here's your double or nothing. Whew! You don't even need to land it. Once the yo-yo is over all the strings, it's going to form an X right here. Keep that in mind for our next step. Alright, so for this next step, you threw your double or nothing and you hopped it back towards you to make this X shape, right? Now you're going to bring your thumb underneath that X shape and you're going to pinch this string. This is the string furthest away from you. It's that string that's underneath on your double or nothing. You're going to pinch it and pull it through all the strings like this, okay? It's gonna look like a hot mess. You can drop it, there won't be any issues or knots or anything. Just make sure you pull it through. So again, you're going to throw your double or nothing, hop the yo-yo back towards you, go under that X, pinch that front string at the bottom, pull it through. Now you have this weird configuration. You're going to take your throw hand and go around the yo-yo and underneath like this. You're gonna get a triangle shape. You can still drop it at this point. I know I mentioned the green triangle, but you can still drop it here. So another angle for this, again, you're going to throw your double or nothing. Let me make sure I get this in the camera. Okay, hop it back towards you over all the strings, go under this X, pinch, pull it through, and then this hand goes down and around. So you're basically going towards your non-throw hand. You can wrap it a few times if you want. Okay, we're already getting to the end. So you've got your double or nothing, you hop it back towards yourself, under the X, pull it through, then you go around towards your non-throw hand. Then you get this triangle shape. You're going to pull this triangle shape out and kind of hop the yo-yo, okay? Boom, 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 boom. So you're just taking hold of these strings in your throw hand and pulling back. Boom. Alright, this is an important step of the trick because you're going to do your green triangle. If you drop this next formation, you will have a knot. So I'm going to say it now. When you drop the yo-yo, go away from you. Away from you. If it comes at your belly, you're doing it wrong. With that warning in mind, do your double or nothing, hop it towards you, go under the X, pull it through, go around, pull up, and then bam, you're going to land on that bottom string from that hop. Once you're here, you're going to drop your throw hand. That's a green triangle. And what did I just say? Hop it away from you. Then you will not have a knot and you can bind, and that's the whole trick. There's your double or nothing, hop it towards you, under the X, go around, pull up, land, and drop. Then out this way. See that? So it's away from you. That's the whole trick. That's how you do Whimsy. Now a tip for Whimsy besides going out through the front is you can always put Whimsy into a combo. You're going to want to use similar elements in Whimsy in the other tricks. So a double or nothing, or again, that green triangle. You can also always use something like a trapeze. It's really easy to get into. Something like that. For example, if you want to go into Whimsy from another trick, that last trick should use a double or nothing. For example, if we use the matrix, which is a really fun beginner trick that ends in a double or nothing. Then you can go right into Whimsy. Didn't even skip a beat, didn't even think about it. Exit that way and bind. If you want to incorporate Whimsy into other tricks, you could do something like this. So first, I throw Whimsy like this, and then when I exit, I can go onto the top. Yeah, I just kicked it out towards the front and onto the top. And then, look at that, I'm in a trapeze. Easy peasy. Something else you can try, and I'll move the camera a little bit lower for this, you can throw Whimsy, and then you can hop out and just go into your next trick. So it doesn't have to be anything really fancy. You just have to be able to incorporate it into your next trick. And that's it. Super easy beginner trick, but if you need help, that's okay. Just ask me in the comments or ask someone else who's learned it, and we're happy to help you out anytime. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ashley. We'll see you next time for another tutorial.